So we're going to get straight to the coding part. I think that's what you guys want to see and that's what you guys want to practice. So instructions number 1, you're looking at a computer program written in Java. Run the code, the text editor, to see what is printed to the screen. So over here is the public class, hello world, and then public static void main, string args, system.out, print line. This print ln stands for line, print line. You can also do system.out print, but that's different. This is going to print everything in one line. If you do system.out print hello, and then system.out print world, you're going to get it on the same line. But if you do system.out.print line, you're going to get everything on one line. But if you do it the other way, if you separate these two, they're going to be on separate lines. So let's quickly run this. There you go, hello world. Okay, so hello Java file. So instructions number 1, the text editor has a file, hello-u.java. So hello-u.java that contains a hello-u class with a main method. Inside main, add a statement which prints hello some name, with your name replacing some name. Make sure to end the statement with a semicolon. For example, if your name were Maria, the program would print hello Maria. Okay, so start off with system. System.out print ln, print line, and I'm just gonna say hello view. We just semicolon at the end, and we're gonna quickly run that. There you go. Right, let's carry on with the Learn Java course through Codecademy. Hello world, print statements. Right, so instructions number 1, inside main and underneath the print statement, system.out print line. Let's play hide and seek output the following 2 statements using system.out.print. Okay. So not print line, just print, right? And here we're going to see the variation that I was talking about in previous lessons. Okay, let's quickly run that. So as you can see here, when we use system.out.println, one after another. So once we've declared one system.out.println, and then we code another system.out.println to the console, and then if we run that, each one will have its own separate line. So it will be one after another, right? So when we type out system.out.print, then system.out.print, one after another, they will still appear in the same line. That's the difference between print line and print. So as you can see here, 3 and 2 are printing on the same line, but the code itself are on separate lines. So as you can see, so okay. So number 2, underneath your previous statements, output the following 2 text values using system.out.println. They said with print line, yeah? Ready or not? Do I come? Alright.